Red number 1, wooden puzzle. Take apart, it's really easy. We just need to find a piece I can move. Now we just play like the puzzle, I already find it. Once the piece is out, everything falls apart. No problem. If we take a closer look at the piece, we have these two are exactly the same. Same for these two. These two are totally different. We have 4 tiny pieces the same, and these 2 tiny ones exactly the same. To put back together the puzzle, I'm going to start with these 2 and 1 piece like that. I'll place this piece at the end like that. I'll try. Place this one on the top, and when it's done, I rotate the piece. I'm going to slide this piece inside like that. Going to use 1 piece, this one that I place like that. I'll try also to keep the puzzle together. No, I'm going to place these 2 tiny pieces, one at the end and the other one at the other end. When it's done, I can place this piece like that. No, the delicate part. This little piece needs to be placed on the top like that, and we need to keep that piece up. Okay. I'll try with my finger like that. I can now move this piece, so I just slide the piece inside. And for the 2 last pieces, just rotate the puzzle like that. I'm going to bring down this piece, so just slide the piece, and I can place this little tiny piece. Bring back the piece, just rotate the puzzle and do the same on the other side. That piece slide on. This tiny piece can go like that. Bring back the other piece, and the puzzle is solved both ways. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if it's not already done, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen. Thank you very much.